Somebody slept out. We gotta set our tents up. Take y'all around the grounds, man. Take y'all around and show you how we doing it now. You know? Show you all the beautiful grounds and how beautiful it is. You know? Doing that download. Mango tree right there. That's the crib. Deep in the mountain, man. It's a beautiful thing, you know? All this is ours right here. Here. So, we got another house up here too on the property. There's two houses. All this land is ours. It's cool. I got signal up here too. Y'all funny, man. All this land is ours. Right here. See, I told you I got a gate. It's gated too all the way around. Got all kind of fruit trees. Getting up this hill. This joint crazy. Got another house right here. I'm gonna start from up here and I'm gonna come down so you can see all the land. Boom. This joint crazy. Crazy. This gonna be our studio. We're gonna turn this into a studio. Right here. This little driveway. This joint go all the way up. There's a guy that cuts the shit. So I'm gonna start here because I don't want to go all the way up there. So I need to do some laps. Now I'm about to get back on my hiking shit because I usually be hiking all the time. So we dipped off in this mountain deep, yo. So definitely not no Airbnb, baby. Definitely not that. Y'all won't be hitting up us on that no more. If I was in the Airbnb, I wouldn't show you. What's goody? Hugs. Welcome back. Rolling song. That shit got you breathing hard coming up to you.
It's a nice little workout, you know what I'm saying?
Don't get lazy. What you talking about, man?
Haters, man.
Come on, man. just getting back up. Showing you the comeback, man. Showing you the comeback, man. Cause we fell off. And now we back. Just stay consistent. That's all. As far as me getting lazy, I can't do that. It's impossible. What's up? What you doing? So you see, we went through all that shit, but the universe be taking us through it for a reason. Everything we went through is for a reason. Motherfuckers be walking with you on a journey when shit is bad. When everything is good, people be rocking with you. Then when you come back and you get up, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers hop back on your dick, but it's okay. The universe be, sometimes a setback is a setup. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, let me finish showing you the crib. Holy shit, hold on. What? Oh, you ain't see that? Come on, man. Think I got locked up for no reason? Come on, man. Ain't get locked up for no reason, man. Absolutely. The blessings. You gotta stay on a mission, man. Stay still. Yeah, ain't nothing for no reason. We need to get some food, though. He said, yeah, we gotta get some food. So we ain't got no food, but y'all know how we do. Send us some donations. so we can get some food. That's it. John, setting up my tent today, though. Some showers. You know I like the showers with the nice shower head. You dig? Yeah, you look at the bathroom in the kitchen when you look at a house. That's what you look at. I was sleeping like that. But, you know, it's my view out the window. But I don't be inside. I be sleeping outside. I'm going back. But I sleep outside. Come on, see. Okay, look, you know what I'm saying? Setting them tents up today, that's my front gate. I walk out to the front gate. Look at these niggas. We couldn't set our tent up last night, everybody slept on the balcony. Look at you. How was it waking up? The stars is crazy. That's what it is. Slept on the balcony. I gotta set them tents up, man. Huh? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take y'all down here real quick. You know? Then I'm gonna walk y'all around. Way up. Shit, coming up this motherfucker. That shit crazy. And that's just my front gate right there. You know? The mountain views is crazy though. You know? Everything is gated. Keep the animals out. The wild animals, because there's a lot of waterfalls and shit over here. We got a generator just in case the power go out, because the power goes out here a lot. You got the generator right there. And you know, it's just beautiful like that. It's just beautiful like that, you know? Nice little joint. Yeah. You know? for nothing. Come on, man. You gotta stay steadfast, man. You feel me? Niggas shut down my PayPal. Shut down all my shit, man. Took all my money. I got thousands of dollars in PayPal. Niggas just shut my shit down. Reporting me and shit. You feel me? It's all good. Shout out to my family that supported me anyway. You know what I mean? And then the universe blessed us with this. It's like, you know. Oh, the fruit trees is everywhere, dickhead. You don't see the fruit trees? It's a fruit right here. Fruit trees. These are all fruit trees. All of these is fruit trees, bro. I ain't even take y'all all the way to the other side. It's just, all of these is fruit trees, man. This was like preparing this for us when we was going through our struggles. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. So you never know what the universe is preparing for you. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Point blank period. I don't know, man. I might be here and then I might just leave again. You don't know. The universe put you where you want to have you. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah. You know? I just go with the flow. That's where I'm at for now. You know? That's where I'm at for now. You got banana over here. Got the good bananas. You know? I'm always moving. I move when the universe tell me to move. You know? The whole earth belongs to me. The whole earth belongs to me. You know? It's just how the universe take care of you when you do the right thing. You feel me? I ain't have to sell my soul either. You feel me? Stay down. Come on, man. Shit get rough. Motherfuckers fall apart when shit get rough. You know what I mean? Shit get rough, nigga get locked up. You see what nigga made out of it. Y'all keep watching, man. Motherfuckers fall apart. As soon as some trials and tribulations come, and then you fall, you come back. That's it. You dig? Natural joint. Oh, the light right here. Stay down. Stay down here. That's all. That's good. How y'all feeling in here? Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I see the kids. You know, it's a beautiful day.
Oh, okay. I see it. Y'all got your little music shit right here.
Oh, yeah, you know, I'm going to finances right now. Then we got some music going on, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Going over finances.
Yeah, you know.
Set your joint up right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. I I like how you did this. We gotta get some new shit.
Yeah, you're gonna get a big ass picture teeth right here, you feel me?
So,
over here, you feel me?
facts, that's all.
So,
Yeah. See you in a minute, man. What's that? Ping pong ball? Huh? What's going on? Oh, now y'all fixing up the studio today. It's gonna be the studio.
Facts, finna be the studio here. You already know it's finna be.
See, you sleeping in that thing, huh?
You did?
You live in that thing. What are these closets? Is this more closet space or something?
Closet space.
Okay.
Some shit put equipment in there if we need be. You know what I mean?
Atum is what we say in the AM. That means welcome back to the light.
Right.
Atum is the light. That's Atum. Atum. Oh, somebody here? That's what it is. Oh. Atum, what y'all doing? Y'all got y'all little setup in here. Get y'all tents up today, huh? We don't sleep on beds, man. We just have sex on. Got a little man over there. Look at him. Breastfeed. We're not even gonna show you what's down these steps. That's for later. I'll show you what's down those steps later. That ain't for right now. That ain't for right now. A couple other things I can't show y'all about this house too. Cancer North, no energy, you dig? It's just beautiful. We're getting them tents out today. Ceiling down. Y'all don't know what this is right here? Who could tell me what this is? Who could tell me what this is? It's definitely not an Airbnb. Who could tell me what this is? Who could tell me what this is? You see? Who could tell me what this is? Huh? Exactly. Tell them the benefits of that right there. That's just growing out here like crazy. But there's all kind of waterfalls around here. We're gonna take y'all to the waterfalls, taking y'all to the rivers. Yo, they got like 5 we're surrounded by waterfalls and water pools. Like basically just beautiful ass water pools, yo. Let me get my guy that found the spot for you. Master Solar, report. Oh yes. There you go. Oh, that's not. Oh.
So here we have multiple waterfalls.
All the waterfalls is over here.
We've got waterfall here. We've got waterfall here. Waterfall here. You can actually just trace the river.
Just trace the river.
Just trace the river.
Okay.
And you can toucans, sloths, all kind of different little animals.
Sound my voice is almost gone? No. Cool.
We'll take a look at this soon.
Yeah. What's the tea? Speaker room. Got endless coal in his eye. You ain't even spell coal right. It's coal. I do got some coal in my eye, though. Appreciate it. How y'all feeling today, baby? Y'all good? Amazing, right? Shit is surreal. It's like a dream. Nigga be fucked up 1 minute in the prison cell, and then you out here like this. Wait till we take them to the waterfalls and the rivers and, you know. What's up, Chuck? What's going on? Yeah, man, sometimes, you know, it's going to be persecutions. It's going to be troubles on the path because of the word. That don't mean nothing, man. I told you, man, like, we would still be in Mexico right now if it wasn't for fucking with Eliana and trying to help her through her generational curses. Her dad coming in. If you look at the bottom of our problems, I'm just being honest with you. You know what I'm saying? The first time we had a problem with y'all online and it gave y'all ammo is when she snapped on that real nigga moment. So we was like, fuck it. I mean, ain't no sense of hiding this shit. We just gonna let y'all see everything. Let y'all see everything. From that moment, it was like a Nana show. Y'all didn't even know about anybody else. Everybody else, it was like a Nana show. You feel what I'm saying? And then that's when maybe a week later, she's just like, yo, I wanna leave. And we dropped her off at the bus station. Remember that? We dropped her off at the bus station. Then she came back. She called me. She came back. Her pop said I'm holding her hostage. When the pop said I'm holding her hostage, then they ran down on us and did a raid with guns and shit, took our studio. So we got our hair took, our studio took. I'm just running down the cause of what happened so you can understand what happened to me and why it happened. Fucking with her, they ran down on our studio. You feel what I'm saying? After they ran down on the studio, we lost our hair, we lost our studio. You know what I'm saying? Then we lost the house. In the house, I had dirt bikes, fucking all kind of furniture I bought. Basically, I furnished the whole joint. Like, I just put so much into that house. I just gave it all away. I gave all that shit away. I gave my dirt bikes away to the neighbor. We gave kitchen supplies. We gave everything away like it was nothing. I always do that, though. Every time I leave a spot, I just give it to the neighbors. Like, here, y'all can have it, the locals. They was going crazy. We gave them so much stuff. My big-ass speaker, all that shit, I gave it to them. You feel me? Because that's just how I do. Every time I leave somewhere, I just give it to the locals. Like, here. So I get stuff, and I ain't really attached to it. So that's like the third time I gave away big dirt bikes. Like, I just gave them dirt bikes away, signed them over to the board. Like, here. Just packed whatever I could get in the van. I was like, yo, we out. We'll rebuild wherever we go. So we left. And when we left, now, the haters had got a hard on because they touched us. You know what I'm saying? With the raid and shit. You feel what I'm saying? So after they did all of that shit, I still hold hell. What I did was, we was gonna move to Costa Rica. You know what I'm saying? Even though I got banned from Costa Rica, I was thinking like, fuck it. I'll stay in Nicaragua till my ban is up. And then I'll just go back. I'll go through Costa Rica, but I'll let everybody else be going back and forth to Costa Rica. So we get to Nicaragua, and my connecting Costa Rica flake on me, basically. He just flaked on me. Start acting different. So I'm thinking like, damn, what the universe want me here for? I'm saying here, she's still having episodes. She's still wilding the fuck out. Then one day she just goes to the embassy. She just say, I want to like, she like, yo, come get me, I'm sorry, and all this shit, like she always do. So I was just like, alright, cool, like, I should have left her alone there, but I didn't. I should have left her alone in Mexico, but I was thinking about my daughter. I was thinking about us having a family, showing the world how she can get over these generational curses that a lot of women are dealing with. Where I felt to myself that she could do this, because she could do this for other women, because she's not the only woman dealing with her issues. You feel me? And the fact is, people are like, oh, she don't want to do polygamy, but it ain't about polygamy. It wasn't about polygamy when she punched Omac in the face and got to her core. It's all about getting her to her core and working on herself. So I was doing it for the black woman, because the black woman was watching. There's a lot of black women that can relate to Eliana, and I knew that. And I'm saying that she can get over it, and she could have been a hero to the black woman that didn't get over it, that made the mistake of going back and just never changing. And it took them until they got to 40 till they realized, like, yo, I was so immature. So she had an opportunity to heal these women by them watching her. That's why I held on to her, because I wanted the black woman to heal through Eliana. I kept her with me, and I was coaching her, and I was saying, you could do this, babe, like, just da-da-da-da, like, and I showed her chart, all her quincruxes, all her squares, all her oppositions, and I was like, yo, you could do this shit, you know what I'm saying? When the going got tough, when she got struck to her core, she ran, she didn't want to do the work, you feel what I'm saying? She was like, all my knowledge, you know what I'm saying? It's like, for me, it's my investment that I'm hurt about. Because at the end of the day, it's like she knew all my knowledge. She was well articulated. There was a lot of good things about her. I had pruned her. You know what I'm saying? And it's like starting all over, having to prune somebody. It took almost 3 years to get her where she was official. But then it was the last test when she got struck to a core to get over her generational curses, and she couldn't do it. And she ran. You know what I'm saying? So it's more of a disappointment more than anything. Like, damn, yo, it could have been great. It could have been, she was right there. All she had to do was just be mature and make some grown woman decisions. She had a lot of women hitting her up, like, just do it, like, don't come back here. Like, a lot of people were supporting, you know what I'm saying? But the haters was going crazy. And so, every time she failed and she came back, it got harder for her. Every time she failed and she came back, it got harder for her to face herself. In front of us, in front of y'all, it got really hard for her to but that's where you see what a queen is made of. That's if you see if you a queen or a king. That's when you see, it's not about how you fall, it's about how you get back up, man. It's not about how you fall. People gotta see you rise from your motherfucking nothing. You feel me? That's what makes you not giving up when shit get hard, my nigga. When shit get hard, that's when you stay. You gotta have that staying power in whatever you doing in life. And then she got to that one point, she got right there, and then she gave up, and she came back. She was strong enough to get to a point where she was like, I'm not going back to Babylon, nigga. I done did all this. And she used to always come back, and I used to encourage her, like, baby, you doing good. All these women out here watching you, don't be embarrassed, man, because you're going through a human thing that they couldn't do. So I was telling her, encourage her, like, yo, just stay strong, you got this. You feel me? Nah, my nigga. She had a pops being a demon. He was sending stuff to her inbox, just playing in her head. And it just seemed like after a while, once I got locked up, man, that was like the final test. Because when I got locked up, everybody had hella pressure on them. You know what I'm saying? When I got locked up, that hurt her deeply. She didn't know she had to become a real leader there. Like, before, I was always there to be the leader. And now she had to step up and be the leader. There was so much pressure on her. So many people saying, so I wasn't there to protect her. And usually I erase the messages. And for 3 weeks, she was being taunted. And she seen every fucking message. And she seen all the things that I see on a regular basis. All the mean stuff. She wasn't built for this shit, yo. You feel me? So when those 3 weeks of me being locked up, she had to be chief. She was running everything. And that put so much pressure on her and traumatized her. When she came to the visiting room to see me, she was literally breaking down, crying. I was like, yo, you gotta stay strong, babe. You gotta stay strong. This ain't for no weak shit. She was like, all right, I'm gonna stay strong. I said, yo, go on, Sonetta. Tell Sonetta what's going on. I was giving them instructions, like, this is what I want y'all to do. I want you to go to Sonetta, tell me what's going on. She's like, all right, babe, I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna get all the media involved. Let everybody know to call the embassy. I was telling them everything to do from the inside. They had got me in phones and shit. You know what I'm saying? I was talking to them on the phone, like, telling them, like, what's good. You feel me? What we need to do. Everybody had fell apart for a minute. I had to, like, tell him, like, get together. You know what I'm saying? Like, protecting me and, like, but behind the scenes, she was breaking apart, losing weight, going into 90 pounds. She was stressed the fuck out, man. It was crazy. We all was stressed. I lost weight. Everybody lost weight. Shit was crazy. That's the struggle. That's the motherfucking war. We at war. You gotta stay strong through that, baby. Get up. Come on. Stay strong. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be alright. We're gonna rise in the end. They watching us. Come on, baby. You gotta do this shit for the black community. Fuck the system. Nah. So as soon as I got out, Nana felt me back, and she felt it was a failure for her because the way I came back and everything got back together. She can feel my strength. Me being gone and me coming back, she felt my strength, and she compared that to her weakness when I wasn't there, and she just all the way lost her spirits. And then when Kaja came and all that shit was just enough for her to be like, man, fuck this shit. She just walked away, man. She just gave up. That's what she did. Now she's back there with y'all saying, yeah, come on back, celebrating her. And now that is helping her feel confident about herself. You know what I'm saying? But the truth is, she wasn't built for the mission, man. She had the knowledge, and she just wasn't strong enough for the mission, my nigga. And that's just, that shit, like, you know what I'm saying? So for me, it's like, you know, a woman has to know my knowledge and my mission and be dedicated to that. And Nana was for a long time, and we was together. So it ain't just so easy to be like, cause it's like, damn, yo, she really gave up. And now, you feel what I'm saying? She look happy. Looks can be deceiving. She don't, let me tell you something. Nana's my daughter. She can't even really breathe without me, nigga. If y'all don't know her, like, she's showing y'all one thing, man, and it's another thing going on in her. Like, she's hurt by her failure. She's trying to cover that failure up, my nigga. Like, you gotta understand what's really going on. She's like, oh, she looks so happy. That's because y'all surface dwellers. Y'all don't know what's really going on with us. She is me. She is me. She everything. You feel me? Nah, it's not missing a foundation in Nana. Nana didn't prove herself through her rites of passage. She would have inherited all of this if she would have got through her rites of passage, point blank, period. She couldn't inherit it. You feel me? And I'm not saying it's too late. Because she could still come back right now and be like, yo, fuck Babylon, I'm not doing this shit, and she can come back. But it's fucked up. It would be fucked up because now that we received our blessings for our struggle, it's like now you came back, and she knows she ain't gonna come back now because it's gonna make her seem like what? Fugazi. Like, this was right around the corner. If you would have kept with some of y'all going through shit right now, and y'all be struggling, and it'd be right around the corner. You feel what I'm saying? Obviously not. You feel what I'm saying? So, no, it wasn't about her baby. It wasn't about nothing. Y'all trying to make shit up because it wasn't about no motherfucking baby, nigga. Come on, man. Why wouldn't you want to give your baby the best quality of life? This is a better quality of life for where she got the baby at now, nigga. You dig? The shit was right around the corner. This is what was coming to Nana. This is what was coming to her. But she couldn't hold that weight. It wasn't about polygamy. It was deeper than polygamy, man. It's her generational curses, and when it gets her to a core, you see that shit come out, she gonna snap the fuck out. You see what I'm saying? I need a battery. So now we healing. Why would you want your baby in Babylon and fucking in the States? Why wouldn't you want your baby here? This is where you have your baby if you love your baby. Of course there's gonna be ups and downs and whatever you go through. Thick and thin, we stay together. You dig? I'll do another walk around, cause I ain't even walk around downstairs. But this is where you wanna have your baby at, you feel me? So why would you take this away from your child because of a struggle? Come on, you gotta think about that, yo. You gotta think about that. That shit don't make no sense what y'all saying. What you mean? She would rather have what she have now than this? Come on, man. This is what happened in the end when you fuck with the Christ conscience. You gonna get blessed. You feel me? So it's gonna be a struggle. You dig? It's gonna be a struggle, but in the end, you know what it is. This was right around the corner. A lot of y'all be going through a lot of struggles in life. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go through struggles in life and then give up right before your blessing. You know what I'm saying? You be going through your hardship and then you give up. You know what I'm saying? Right before right before your blessing come. Like your blessing was right around the corner. All you had to do was wait a couple more weeks, stay strong, and you would have been like, okay, it was worth it. But now you know what I'm saying? You gave up. You gave up. Have it the earth in the end. What the universe got for us is bigger, way bigger than this. This ain't nothing. This is nothing. We gonna inherit the earth in the end. Our struggles ain't for nothing. We the truth. You feel what I'm saying? We are the truth, the very truth. Our struggles ain't for nothing. And in the end, this was what was around the corner for Nana, man. This she would have inherited all of this. You dig? Come on, man. This was hers. If she'd have just stayed through the struggle, but it got too hard. I told you, it got too hard, my nigga. It's a mango tree right here. It got too hard. Motherfuckers see, like, oh, it'd be easier for me to go to Babylon. And in Babylon, what they do? What they do? They cheer her on. Yeah, girl. But y'all was the same motherfuckers hating her when she was sticking up for me. When she was riding, holding her unk. Y'all was the same motherfuckers saying, fuck her. This why she should know she can't trust them niggas. Cause these the same niggas that was like, fuck you. And all of a sudden you come back to Babylon, they like, yeah. Some demonic shit. Some demonic shit. You feel me? Some demonic shit. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen the room when she was live. They wanted her to fucking give up. They got her. But she could have healed every black woman out there that went through that shit if she would have rose. All she had to do was listen to me. She had one thing to get through, and that's me getting locked up. And when I got locked up, that was her time to be strong. But she lost all that weight. She talking about, I'm 95 pounds. Yeah, nigga, that's part of the struggle. That's the sacrifice. Now the Babylon demons is like, yeah, we got you. And now they got her. Influencing her mind. Telling her whatever but she's strong, yo. She got me in her. And she just listens to my voice that she hear in her head every fucking day and apply the knowledge. Not one person that left here is applying the knowledge. You see them proclaiming the kingdom? Because even if you don't like me, what I'm saying is true. The knowledge is true. Do you see them proclaiming the kingdom? Do you see them online doing downloads still, even though? Shit. You don't see nobody that left here talking the knowledge no more. Because that's what was important, the knowledge. You see what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, they don't want to talk the knowledge no more. They leave and act like, yo. And with 120 pounds, really, like, so she went down to 95. She lost some weight. I mean, everybody lost weight. We healing now. You know what I'm saying? We went through a lot of shit, but that's because of the trials. You read Matthew 13. It says, those that fell upon the thorn, the seed that fell upon the thorn was the seed that grew up and was choked. The seed that was thrown along the path ain't have no roots. And you was too young. You ain't have enough experience. And so when the trials and tribulations come, they fall away easy. So when I got locked up, Nana had to run this shit. She had to feel my responsibilities. She had to step in my shoes. You understand? And that was the major test to see if she was really my chiefess. When I wasn't there, she had to step up, and it looked like she was doing a good job, but it was tearing her up. And so she was like, man, this shit is too stressful. Fuck, I'm leaving. And then the polygamy thing, that was another struggle that struck her. You know what I'm saying? So you have to be mature and strong on this mission. You feel me? So at the end of the day, she like, yo, I'm out. So she leaves. And when she leaves, something surprising happens. The devil is like, yeah, come on, baby. Yeah, New Orleans, baby. Yeah. Fucking devils. You fucking devils. And because she's in a vulnerable position, and because she's just sensitive and felt like she failed, she's soaking that shit up. She's soaking that fake ass love up. Nigga, y'all niggas need to go. Y'all going to hell. Y'all going straight to hell. Feeding off of her like that, man. Y'all niggas is crazy. She vulnerable. She felt like she failed her whole 3 years and everything she invested all her life into. She failed. And y'all like, come on, baby. Y'all don't need him. This what you do. Come on, baby. We from New Orleans, baby. You fucking devils. Y'all ain't nothing but some fucking devils. Bitch ass niggas. And she just eating the cookies up. Come on, baby. We from the NO, baby. What? You don't get your silly ass the fuck out of here. The NO? You ain't from no NO, you house nigga. That shit ain't yours. Niggas don't even understand. He talking about da-da-da-da-da-da. And you could tell when the video, she know what it is, cause she was vulnerable position right now. She eating them cookies up. She eating them cookies that y'all giving her. Why? Cause it's the only thing she got to live for. The only thing that she can fucking feed off of is y'all's energies. And y'all energies ain't gonna do nothing but fill her with what? False hopes, false dreams. Nigga, y'all niggas ain't shit. She gonna figure that out when it's too late. She young, y'all just eating her up. You eating Eliana up. Y'all eating all that shit up, telling her to do all that stupid shit. And she falling for it. She only showing her weakness. You feel me? And I know what she going through because we connected deeply. I know what she going through. I know why she doing the dumb shit she doing. You dig? Y'all don't know. You don't know. You think you know, nigga. Y'all niggas is playing mind games. How you gonna play mind games with the mastermind, nigga? I'm a mastermind. I see right through y'all little shit, nigga. Trying to turn me against her. Trying to turn her against me. Bitch. I does this, nigga. I am manipulative. That's how you supposed to be in your world. That's the fucking key to life, is to be manipulative, nigga. It's what you manipulating people to do. That's what it's about. Everybody's supposed to be controlling and manipulating. You're supposed to be manipulate your situation, nigga. That's what it's supposed to be. You got to. That's life, nigga. You ain't know that? So at the end of the day, she still can rise. She at any moment she could be like, man, fuck this shit. I'm leaving. I'm going home. You feel what I'm saying? Cause y'all niggas is faking phony. Y'all was the same niggas telling me fuck me and nigga da-da-da-da all online, disrespecting her and shit while she was talking, going through her struggles. Y'all niggas was beating her to death. And now y'all kissing her ass cause she came back to y'all. Y'all felt like y'all won. Look, we got Eliana. Let me tell you something, dogs. Nothing is lost and all is transformed. The universe took Mexico from me and gave me this. You dig? So if the universe took Nana away from me, what you think coming to me? Think about it. Easy math. Y'all some wizards, right? Y'all wizards. The universe gonna do if it took Nana away from me? What do you think it's gonna bring me? Keep watching, nigga. Fuck out of here. I'm ready.
Alright, so I just explained the kitchen process that women are going to be incorporated in cleaning days. So it'll be me starting off. This is one of my standards of how the kitchen should be clean. So I don't know which order y'all want to do that. So I would like to order it down. important to Mama Family or Mama Uni for laundry purposes. And then we have the creative space upstairs. I'm thinking you take over that. And then we have the living room. Come here, true.
Okay.
Living room area that includes like that dining table right there. So this area is the dining table.
Perfect.
Bathroom will be me and the Horizon master room in the evening. The outside dining area out here, master solar. We have the balcony. No, we're gonna give the balcony this area right here, including the table back here. And master Sean and master Boyle. We have the front. You know how we do these. Make sure your areas run. Where your leaders and all the other space. Oh, this room. None of the studio room. None of y'all in the front area down there. And then we have garbage combination work. And I don't know, y'all don't know who y'all sit y'all. Does that sound like cool?
This stuff is good for my skin. Some essential oils. Got the grapeseed joint. Anybody dealing with skin issues, you know what I'm saying? Take stuff from this right here. This is really good. We actually got an organic store out here that got essential oils and stuff like that. Yeah. My hair's straight. It's not my